Hey y'all, it's Jen. Back to do another flip through. This journal I had finished a while ago and didn't realize that I never posted a flip through for it. So I wanted to go ahead and do that today. So this cover is a soft cover. It's layers of cardstock and then fabric over the top. This is rescued fabric. It's a little satiny. It's really pretty. The spine on this journal I covered with some black lace that I got from Crafty Me Shop. And the ribbon here just unties and comes off. On the edges of the front and back cover, I ruffled some black ribbon and glued it to it. Is stitched and then glued down. The inside cover is made with My Porch Prints. There's two kits that I used from My Porch Prints in this journal. One is the antique script papers. The other one are the ink savers. I think it's ink savers ephemera. It's been a while, but I printed the kit onto my vintage red paper that I found. So these inside pockets are fabric, and I have a little video on my YouTube page showing how I decorated these and made these safety pin embellishments with red tulle, eyelash trim, and some vegetable netting that I saved. And I have this vegetable netting in several different colors. In fact, there's black in this book later on, and it's that plastic kind of poly netting that you get fruits and vegetables in at the grocery store. In this pocket I had some tags. The gray papers in this book are hibiscus dyed papers that I dyed. There's another tag, and then here's a postcard. And it's hard to see. These pockets are stitched around. Did a little cluster here with a tag from one of the kits. This stamp is from my collection. I stamped onto some hibiscus dyed dictionary page the edge where it didn't have any writing or print, and that way I could use up some of that scrap. Did a ruffle here on this edge. Tore some paper from the script pages and put along this edge. Here's a belly band on this side. This is the black vegetable netting, and it's held on with little black safety pins, and I stitched around, put a journaling card in there. Flipped this page over and glued it down, and then added some lace, some eyelash trim, and some more of that red tulle along this edge using an Artymaze technique, and I will link her tutorial video for how she makes the little page edge embellishments below in the comments. Another little cluster here made with a piece from the kit. Some of that vintage red paper, the faux stamps, hibiscus dyed paper. This is a paper doily. It was a heart, and I just took the back of it where it was white and inked it with my black soot distress ink. It actually brought the roses out really nicely on the back. Another ribbon ruffle here with some safety pin fibers again. This envelope is fabric and paper. On the outside it is fabric. It's decorated with some more netting, eyelash trim. Everything is stitched. This piece is from Crafty Me Shop as well. It's a piece of rolled fabric ribbon made to look like rolled roses. This ribbon unties. It is held on by 2 safety pins, and you can move these safety pins around. You could change the ribbon out if you want. Opens up, like I said, the inside is paper, and in here are 2 journaling cards. And it just closes up and ties. And I do have a YouTube video on how I made these. I think I already said that though, on how I made these. I'll link it below. Another little cluster on this side. Big butterfly here. Some more torn pages used as edge here. Again, with the black ribbon ruffle and fibers here. The other side of that doily. Another stamp here. And these stamps I stamped using my StazOn in jet black ink. Come on. More butterfly stamps. Another pocket here with the lace, tulle, and eyelash trim. Another little tag, and a journaling card. Let's just slide in there. Flip this page, another belly band on this side with a journaling card. Another ruffle here. Another piece from the kit. Large stamp there. This is the pocket on the back cover. Another little tag. An ephemera from the kit. And that is it, y'all. Just wanted to share this guy. It is listed on my Etsy shop for sale if anyone is interested. And I also have a version of this listed that is blank. I know people were requesting blank journals, so I did do a blank journal with the same fabric and lace along this edge, along the spine. So if you're interested in that, it is over in my Etsy shop. Thank you guys for looking. Hope y'all have a good evening.